Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. I'm in a super good mood this morning. It was supposed to rain today, but the rain has held out, and that means we can film some more awesome videos. Rain is seriously my arch nemesis when it comes to car videos, because for the most part, you gotta be outside, and, well, it wrecks audio and it ruins cameras. Time to say good morning to the kids. How is it going? Allie and Ellie, yes, she's got a name now. For those of you who missed yesterday's video, you got to watch it. I straight piped the E63 and it sounded absolutely ridiculous, but I can't just tell you about it. You gotta see for yourself what it sounds like. Unfortunately, when I tried to fix it, I wasn't fully successful, so it's still got a little exhaust leak. I think I'm gonna need to take care of that. Might have been a mistake. But yes, the E63's official new name is Allie. Love this girl. And then we have Ellie, the Lamborghini. The plan for the day is simple. I haven't seen my boy Amir in a very long time. The guy at EAG used to do a bunch of car reviews there. We're gonna meet up. He's got a new Audi R8 V10, and he thinks that it can take the E63, but I don't think so. So the Audi R8 weighs 1,000 pounds less than this E63, but the non-V10 Plus model only makes 540 horsepower. I shouldn't say only, but it makes significantly less than this, and 398 pound-feet of torque. According to the dyno, when we put this on the dyno at VF, this thing makes around 650 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. That's a lot. I'm thinking that the E63 has a legitimate chance, but there really is only one way to find out if the E63 is faster than an Audi R8, and that's to put the cars head to head. So that's the plan for the day. Oh, look, all the boys have come out today. We got Taylor in the Super Trofeo. I guess this is me, and, well, I'm not sure who these are. No, that's not really the boys. A quick update on this bad boy. Laura has finally responded. Honestly, I was a little bit worried. I did not anticipate picking a winner and then having them disappear and not be there. But 5 days later, we have made contact with Laura. Congratulations, Laura, if you are watching this video. I'm so pumped for you to take delivery of this car. We're gonna set that up, and I have to get the video of you taking delivery of this car and seeing your reaction. We also have to talk about wrap colors, what color we are going to change the Z4 to. Here's the remnants of my E63 straight piping experience there. As you can tell, probably, I'm in a really good mood, and I'm trying to inspire all of you to be in a good mood too, because seriously, it is all about mindset. Think about what you're thankful for the day. I'm thankful for beautiful weather, awesome friends, this freaking Mercedes, Lambo, and every single one of you amazing subscribers. I'm also thankful for this Domino's pizza last night. Now, it is not truly a Vehicle Virgins video if I don't do a cold start, so let's turn this thing on. Yep, you can still hear a pretty bad exhaust leak there. That needs to be fixed. Whew. Allie looking good, girl. Let's head to EAG. I don't think Amir has actually even seen this car, and he is a huge Mercedes fanatic. I mean, I reviewed his SL63, he's got a G63, an S65. There's too many to even count, so we're gonna show him the car though.
Hey, yeah. I'm on a midnight bike ride. There's orders 2 AM. Left you behind. How could you think we could just be friends again? I'm on a midnight bike ride. There's orders 2 AM. Left you behind. Now that you know things can
Man, I haven't been out here in a minute since basically I first moved to Southern California. I miss this place. I'm pretty sure that my brake pads might be done on the E63 already after one track day. They are squealing like crazy. I'm gonna need to check the pad life, but it's amazing how much wear and tear track days do put on your car. Something to remember, but it's worth it. Here we are. There is his beautiful dark green Audi R8 V10 that's going down. And we are here. All right, let's roll. Oh my God, Amir's vlogging. Amir's got a vlogging camera now. What's up, dude?
What's up, buddy?
Oh my God, I feel like
How
it's just a romantic re-encounter.
I know, dude. It's been what?
I'm sorry, it's been a long time. I've been so busy, and we need to hang out more. Dude, so how's the R8 been?
It's been great. I have like 2,200 miles on it.
You have
What do you have on that?
I got this like 3 days ago. Not 3 days ago, but not very long ago. It's got 2,400 miles on it.
What do you mean? Is that even possible?
Yeah, it's possible. Verify the miles, verify the miles.
I don't believe you.
Let's see. 2,700 miles.
God.
And you've got 2,200. You've had that for like 3 years.
No, 7 months.
7 months, all right, close enough. Well, this is the first time you've ever seen this car.
Yeah, dude, I love it.
What do you think?
Oh, it has the same speakers like the S65.
Yeah, dude, I got the upgraded
wow.
Burmester sound system. Got carbon fiber everywhere.
Wow, dude, I'm impressed. I love it.
I like it too. He's challenging me to a race with his R8 with no miles on it against the E63.
I think I'm gonna beat him with my car.
No way.
You don't think so?
No way.
V10, V8.
You got way less power, way less torque. Yours weighs less though. We'll find out. So I think the game plan is, I brought my V-Box with me. We're gonna put the V-Box in the R8, go for a little drive in that, clock the 0 to 60, see if it is indeed a fair comparison against the E63. Now I know the R8 V10 Plus, stupid fast, the same as a Huracan, but the R8 V10, a little less power, still crazy fast. I think the E63 might come out on top.
What was your V-Box? You got 2.7?
2.7, dude. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be close.
Wow. Because the Plus does 2.6.
Yeah. The Plus is gnarly.
So we'll do it now, and then I'll tune mine, and then we'll do it again.
Then I believe I will lose. This was like the best idea, guys, getting a data logger. Leave your guesses below on what you think the 0 to 60 time of the R8 V10 is. I'm thinking 3 seconds flat. We'll find out. That sounds really good. Oh, this quilted leather interior is baller.
Don't forget the roof.
Oh, you got quilting on the roof? What the?
Yep.
Are you serious? All right, you might win with that. I'm not sure. V-Box setup, Amir setup.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Ooh, California. Got a Model 3.
Ew, that's a really ugly Tesla, dude.
You don't like the Model 3?
Ew, no, that was nasty. I would say that's the second ugliest car I've seen rather than a PT Cruiser.
What about a Nissan Juke? Have you seen one of those?
Oh yeah, those are.
Yeah, those are worse. Those are worse for sure. Got carbon fiber everywhere in this interior. I don't even have that in the Huracan. What the heck? That's awesome.
Well,
I'm still in love with this freaking diamond stitch headliner.
I couldn't afford the Huracan, so I bought this.
Okay, shut up.
All right, let's try this. You ready?
Yep. Oh no, Amir, that was 3.5 seconds. That's not looking good. That's not looking good for you.
That's really bad.
We're gonna run that back. He was doing it in manual mode with launch control in the Huracan and the R8. If you're in the right mode, you actually don't have to shift. Even with the Lambo in Corsa mode, that's the only time when you don't have to shift in Corsa. So we're gonna run it back and see if we can do faster than 3.5. All right, let's see. Oh, that felt faster. 3.1 seconds, oh boy. All right, man, this is actually gonna be really close. My car consistently can do 3.0, 3.1 with 2 people in the car, and it was able to do faster than that with just me and the limited gas. Yeah, 2.7. I've only done that once. I got 2.8 a bunch of times, but it'll be interesting to see based on the gearing what happens after that. My car has more power, but you have less weight. The 0 to 60 is gonna be freaking close, but I don't know what's gonna happen after that.
Find out.
Gun it. Oh! Yeah, this thing's fast.
Oh, is it raining?
What? Oh no.
No, it's not.
No, don't rain. Don't. Mind if it's raining. All-wheel drive life.
Well,
I got a winter tire.
You got the 4MATIC and I got the Quattro.
Yeah, and I got a winter tire, so.
Oh, you're good.
I got the advantage. I got the advantage. Drag race in the rain.
Lucky.
Now, I knew this was gonna be a close race, but after feeling the power of that R8 again, it's gonna be an interesting one. We are gonna go to a remote location now, get some professional drivers in the car, and run them head to head. Audi R8 V10 versus E63 AMG versus C-Max Hybrid. My money is on this C-Max. Look at this beaut right here. Yep, it is raining. Gosh darn it. But that green looks so nice on the R8. I almost don't even care, but I do care. Stop raining. Check out the R8 in the front view camera. That's awesome. That turning indicator is so sick. They should have done that on the Huracan. I'm here at Service Tire, who put the tires on my Lamborghini Huracan, and they are gonna help me fix the exhaust. Really, the biggest issue, the thing that I need is a 2-post lift for this to be possible. And I also need some extra help so one person can hold the back of the exhaust, the front of the exhaust, and do the clamps all at the same time. They're gonna hook it up graciously. And the car will sound good as new, and it'll also have appropriate back pressure, so I can race this fool. Can get a cool look of the underside of the E63. Now, what I was working on was up there in the front on the right and the left. Here are the exhaust clamps that I was working on yesterday. We got 2 different pipes that are connected via this clamp. I unbolted that, and as you can see, it's not quite all the way together on both the sides, so we've got a tiny bit of an exhaust leak going on. Did I just ruin the full exhaust?
It was a little crooked, so I just straightened out the clamp.
Well, I guess they were a little loose. That's what I get for trying to do this under jack stands. We got the bolts tightened down properly. They might have just been a little bit too loose. Let's see if we can hear that noise. Well, the exhaust is now clamped down. It sounds a little bit better, but what Surface Tire was saying is there is a donut on the inside of the exhaust to seal it, not just the outside, and we gotta let the car cool down until they can touch it enough to fix that donut and put it in the right place. I wanna do this race, however, so we're gonna do that another day. Let's roll out. To really set this up, Amir has contacted his LAPD officer friend who is gonna come out and make sure everything is safe, the street is shut down, so we can properly do a head-to-head. I like the way this is going. Yeah, so you guys, look how great Los Angeles is. Beautiful driving roads, great weather, yeah. Traffic. Just kidding, I absolutely love this place, but gosh darn is the traffic ridiculous. Well, up ahead and around the corner, we have located the private spot where we can do this race. My alter ego, though, is going to do the driving, and yeah, his alter ego is also going to be doing the driving, so yeah. We found the private spot up ahead where we're gonna put the E63 against the Audi R8. So once again, the figures, the R8 V10 non-plus, 540 horsepower, 398 pound-feet of torque out of a naturally aspirated V10, weighs 3,600 pounds. This car weighs 4,500 pounds, but it makes, according to Mercedes, 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque out of a twin turbocharged 4-liter V8. Although we dynoed this at 650 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. We're gonna put the GoPros on the cars. I'm gonna try to get one clean launch where we can do it from a standstill because both the cars are all-wheel drive. And then after that, we're gonna do a roll. I'm not gonna be driving. I'm gonna switch to my alter ego, and then Amir's got a professional driver. Let's roll. I've hopped in the passenger seat now. My driver, Paul, is sitting here getting ready to race the R8. You ready to kick some butt, Paul? I don't know why I'm calling him Paul, but that's his name, I guess. What's your strategy here?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm just trying to.
You're just trying to win?
I'm trying to get used to this camera.
But in the racing, just floor it and pray? We both got automatic, so it ain't that hard.
I'm just gonna launch it.
You're just gonna launch it?
I'm just gonna launch it.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Well, this is the winning angle. If I'm using this GoPro in the race, the R8 will be somewhere over here, and I will be in the lead. And this will be the losing angle. If I'm capturing the footage on this camera, the R8 is going to be ahead of me, so hopefully I don't have to use any footage from this angle. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? All right. 1, 2, 3. Well, that was pretty awesome.
That was really cool.
We had a couple good races in. Honestly, I thought mine was gonna be faster, only because I just wanted mine to be faster. He thought his was gonna be faster, and it turns out they're pretty much dead even. Depending upon who launched first, and then on a roll, I mean, we were just neck and neck with each other the entire way.
Yeah, you're right. It's just, we didn't launch right. We had 2 chances. He messed up once, I messed up once, and yeah.
But that was awesome. There you guys have it, Audi R8 V10 versus Mercedes E63S AMG. Audi owner thinks his car is faster, but
It's a V10.
it's a V10, but it's not faster. Now it is time to head to my buddy Will's shop. We're gonna try to fix the E63 exhaust tonight once and for all because, yeah, it's still making a gross rattling noise. All right, we're here. So I've removed the exhaust again. We took a look through both the pipes. There definitely isn't a donut anywhere unless it's like just gone all the way down there, but pretty unlikely. I think I just need to push these harder together. You can see marks on where the original location was, and then tighten this back up and hope it's fine, or it's not. Well, we tighten these back up again. Now is the moment of truth. All right, this is safe.
Imagine if we have an earthquake.
All right, let's see. Oh, I don't hear it. All right, I think we have finally fixed it. Oh my God, that's loud under here. All right, wait, do it again. Wow, that sounds awesome. Oh! The E63 is finally fixed. We had an epic race today against the Audi R8 V10. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.